If you want to buy an SSL certificate on Namecheap using your PC, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from login to payment. An SSL certificate is important because it helps secure your website, protects customer data, and shows visitors that your site is trustworthy. Whether you are setting up a new website or upgrading an existing one, Namecheap makes it relatively simple to purchase the certificate you need. If this video helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC and log into your Namecheap account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or domain. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the Security section in the main menu. Under Security, click on SSL Certificates. This is where Namecheap lists the different SSL options available for your website. Now you will see different certificate choices. If you have a basic single domain website, a standard SSL certificate is usually the most common option. To continue, click Buy Now under the SSL certificate you want. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the right product for your needs, since some certificates are designed for a single domain, while others may support multiple subdomains or advanced security features. After that, you will be asked to select the quantity. In most cases, if you only need one certificate for one, next, choose the certificate validity period. This is the length of time the SSL certificate will remain active before renewal is needed. The longer the validity period, the less often you'll need to renew it, so review the options carefully before moving on. Once you have selected the quantity and validity period, review the price on the order summary. Double-check everything, one more time, to make sure the certificate type, duration, and total cost are correct. When you are satisfied, click Confirm Order to proceed to checkout. Now Namecheap will take you to the Payment section. Here, choose your payment method from the available options. Depending on your location and account settings, you may see options such as credit card, PayPal, or other supported payment methods. Pick the one you want to use, then continue to the next step. Finally, complete the payment by entering your payment details and confirming the transaction. Once the payment goes through, your SSL certificate purchase will be completed successfully. After that, you can move on to activating or installing the certificate on your website when you are ready. And that's how to buy an SSL certificate on Namecheap using your PC. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and now you can secure your website with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.